So the two places to get your barcodes from are Speedy Barcodes and, Nationwide Barcodes. Nationwide Barcodes. So I just got a shitload of barcodes from these guys on Friday. So Nationwide Barcodes or Speedy Barcodes. Both will do exactly the same thing. Both are very, very good. Both sets of barcodes that you will buy from them are originated from the GS1 database, so they're legitimate and they work on Amazon, yada, yada, yada. So if you want to buy barcodes, either Speedy or Nationwide Barcodes is exactly what you should be using. All right, so with that said, if you are, David, taking a product from a wholesaler on somewhere like AliExpress, then it will come with a barcode. So the whole point of private label is that you put your brand onto it and you create from a blank product a branded product that you own, in which case you will need a barcode for that, because what you've done in effect is created a brand new product. But if you are buying your products wholesale from a wholesaler and they've already got a brand on them, which they will have from a wholesaler or from somewhere like AliExpress or somewhere like that, DHgate, whatever it may be, they will have a UPC barcode already, and for the most part you must use that on Amazon, because if you're going to send your products to Amazon, they will check the UPC barcode. If they see it's got a barcode and you haven't used it, they will return all the stock to you at your cost to get it labeled properly, and that's expensive, so don't do that. So the very idea behind the testing a small amount of product strategy is that you're ultimately going to be selling somebody else's product, and you do that. Now, with that being said, there is the legitimate do this is the right thing to do advice, okay? Now, let me give you the bit more blacky hacky stuff, okay? So you didn't hear this from me, of course, and you will do this at your own risk, of course. If you get the product sent to you first and apply a barcode, your own barcode, over it, then I would be surprised if that caused a problem for you on Amazon. I would be surprised if it did. So that's the workaround, but just know that is against Amazon's terms of service, and don't get caught doing that. but I would be surprised if that was an issue for you, David. So that I've given you now the legitimate don't do that, and also the here's what I do thing. So now you've got both. Hey, Neil here. Just before you go away, that was a question that I got asked on my regular Monday night Q&A session, which I have with the members of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs. So if you're interested in joining us as an Aussie Online Entrepreneurs, then you can click on the link below to find out a lot more about that. And also, as a special thank you for watching this video, I've got a great book that I want to give you for free. It's a current bestseller on Amazon, and it teaches you everything that you would need to know about starting a business here in Australia on Amazon. So you can see that just up there. So if you'd like to get a copy of that for free, then again, just click on the link below and you'll get a copy of that. You'll get taken to a page where you can get a copy of that for absolutely free. Hope you enjoyed that little snippet from one of my Aussie Online Entrepreneur Q&A sessions, and make sure that you subscribe to my channel and also like this video. And if you've got a question that you would like answering, then post it in the comments below, and I'll do my best to answer it, whether on one of these videos for you or directly in the comments directly below. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time on the next of the Aussie Online Entrepreneurs Amazon FBA Australia videos. See you soon.